In this video, I will show you how to use ProxySpider. It can detect your proxies. It can scrape proxies from the internet. And it's easy to use. First, import your proxy. You can import from a file or add a URL link. Then select your proxy. Click Start to detect. Click Refresh. Now you can see what status of your proxies. And also you can filter them. Choose options you want to filter. Then click Refresh. Next, if you want to scrape proxies, stop detecting. Then select Search Proxy Sources. Click Refresh. Add search and text thread. And select the search button. Click Start. Now the program will scrape proxies from the internet. Click Refresh. You can change settings. Last, how to export them. Here you can set an IP and port. Once it has been activated, then other programs can import the latest filtered proxies by visiting the IP and port using the HTTP protocol. Also, you can click the Export button. To export the proxies, you just script